Hello and welcome to Parinama Academy. I am Vignesh Parameswaran and I'm here to teach you Raspberry Pi Sense Hat using Python as a programming language. I'm excited. How about you? So let's get started. Right. So connect to your Raspberry Pi. So while you are in this Raspberry Pi, select file, select programming, select Python 3 idle. So I'll show you again. So programming and then Python 3 idle. So once you select Python 3 idle, you will be in this particular screen. So let's this is the Python shell. So in this shell, I will show you a quick example. You don't have to do this on your computer, but I will just show you how you can create programs here, right? So I want to show you a basic example. So I want to say print. How cool is this? Okay. So once I type, it just showed me how cool is this. Is this cool? Yes, it is cool. So let's create a file. So file, go to file, select new file, and this is where we will be creating the program. All right. So let's start typing the program. So you're going to say from sense_hat import sense hat. So the first sense hat is all lowercase and then you have an underscore in between. The second sense hat is title case. Title case is when you have the first letter which is capitalized of every single word, right? So next thing that you're going to type is you're going to say sense equals sense hat, and make sure you put those brackets, which is shift 9 and 0. All right. Third thing that you want, third line of code is sense dot clear. We want to clear the LED matrix. We want to clear the entire LED matrix in the sense hat. All right. The final line of code, and this is the single line that for this particular lecture, is sense dot show message. And what message do you want to show? You want to say, how cool is this? Is this cool? Yeah, it is cool, right? So we want to say, so make sure you save the file. So you press Control S, or other option is you can go to file and then you can click save, and it will take you to the save window. Select documents, and the documents, give it a name. So I'm going to give it 1- show message, and then click save. So once you save the message, you're going to take a look at the sense hat. All right. So while we are taking a look at this, click run and then click run module. Are you able to see the message? How cool is this? Amazing. Did you like it? So let's run it one more time. All right. So if you are in this particular screen, I want you to close this window, go to your file, and then select run module. How cool is this? Wow, you just created the first program, and then how many lines of code? It's only 4 lines of code because we cleared the sense hat that took a single line, but it's all right. Let's do something else, right? So we just said, how cool is this? It is cool, but we don't just want it in a plain white color, right? Maybe we want to add some color. Let's see how we can add some color. So in this line, so we're going to say red. I want red, right? So red is 255,0,0. So it's RGB, red, green and blue. So once you add red, and then go to your show message line and then type text underscore color with the incorrect British spelling. It's all right. So you put a U, make sure you have that U in that color, and then you're going to say color equals red text underscore color COLOUR, make sure you have that U, equals red, and then save the file. Right. What should we do after saving the file? We should run the file. So how do we run the file? So again, go to run and then run module. Let me show you the output as we speak. How cool is this? But did you see the color change to red? Yeah, try giving different numbers like 0 to 255, between 0 and 255. Just try to change different numbers in that particular line. Instead of saying red, if this bothers you, if you say red equals 255, let's say my color, my underscore COLOR. Let's bring in the correct spelling, but make sure space equals space, my underscore COLOR. So whatever you use, initialize. I'm sorry, it's not red, it's my underscore color equals my color. All right, so make sure you change some numbers in between, like for example, like 120, 120, 120. I don't know, I just came up with 120. Save the file, and then let's go there, options, and run, and then run the module, and then see what color is that. So that's how you show messages in SenseHand. So that is your first lecture, and I'll be seeing you in the next lecture, where I want to show you a single letter instead of the scrolling test. What if I want to show a single letter, how to do that? I'll show you in the next lecture. Until then, it's bye from Vignesh, and this is Parinama Academy.